young guys, right? अगर आप सोच लो क्या करना चाहिए, क्या नहीं करना चाहिए, make small things, build something, but make something. Is every journey looks like an overnight success story, but every overnight success story is at least 20 years in the making.
Good morning, Surat! Third mega edition of the largest startup summit of India, 21 by 72, organized by IBY Growth Association.
Out of 5 top districts of the country, which pumps the maximum money to the public stock market, 2 comes from Gujarat. Ahmedabad is 4th, Surat is 5th. I really appreciate Rachit and his team at Ivy Growth.
I can say that with time as Ivy Growth, or even if you consider 21 by 72 as a startup, we also have evolved with time. But yes, one thing for sure, we have pivoted, we have grown.
केम छो सूरत? मैंने सुना था कि सूरत की हवा में ही पैसा है, तो ऊपर आ भी गए. मैंने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था कि आप लोग इतना जोरदार इवेंट कर रहे हो सूरत में इतने साल से, और मुझे अभी पता चला. सो अमेजिंग वर्क. आप क्या खाते हो, क्या पीते हो, जरा बताओ मुझे प्लीज. आई हैव नेवर सीन दिस काइंड ऑफ एंटरप्रेन्योरियल एनर्जी इन वन प्लेस.
So excited to be here. All of you are entrepreneurs or have some crazy startups.
Surat is one of the biggest capital in India for businesses. यहाँ पे startup जैसे events को actually बहुत ज़्यादा करने की ज़रूरत है. And thanks to you guys that you're doing.
Thank you so much, Raj, again for being a part of our summit. It really means a lot from the bottom of our hearts. Thank you so much.
How many of you feeling lucky today? Raise your hands if you're feeling lucky today. Okay. Under 3 of your chairs, there are surprise gifts. Anyone found it? Nothing. Moral of the story: there's nothing called luck in entrepreneurship. Right? You'll have to earn it.
How is it impacting the types of companies that VC firms are interested at?
Be focused on what you are built. The local folks have to start backing their local founders.
There are just about less than 100,000 angel investors in India.
And that hustle is very clear, when somebody is pitching to us.
People looking towards India for investment.
India is very attractive to the US investors.
It's a huge connection between the MENA and the Asia. Of course, we're looking into the Middle East companies coming to Asia.
And we'll see 5-10 years down the line, India will overwhelm the global space when it comes to the startup ecosystem is concerned.
What I see today in India is something I didn't see 5, 6, 7 years ago.
Abhishek, I had a question for you. Are you present in countries outside of India?
Yes.
Which all countries?
So Indian subcontinent, the entire, of course, that is one. After that, the second largest market is UAE and US, Canada, West Indies.
I have to give my money to Navi. Navi is the fund manager, basically.
Yes, Navi is the AMC.
And what is your go-to-market strategy?
Mostly through digitally. Plus, it's a B2B. And third, the individual team also try to onboard them.
When you are thinking about your strategy, think about you being as a consumer and what would you expect from a business.
No investor has time to invest 6 hours just reading your text. So make sure that your deck is very, very clear, crisp on those 10-12 points.
In your roadmap, when do you think you would be ready for an export-oriented approach?
So we have already sent a test consignment to Kuwait where we are getting good responses. So GCC and Brazil is definitely in the cards for the next.
एकदम छोटे से बिजनेस कर रहा हूँ अभी. 4-5 करोड़ का मेरा अभी ईयरली टर्नओवर है. तो मेरा क्वेश्चन है कि पहले तो
कितना टर्नओवर है?
4-5 करोड़ का
छोटा बिजनेस है ये. कभी भी लाइफ में ना खुद को इंट्रोड्यूस ऐसे मत करना कि मेरा एक छोटा बिजनेस है या मैं छोटा बिजनेस. हमेशा बोलना कि मैं ये काम करता हूँ. That's advice which my mentor gave me and I think it's really.
What's your take on influencer marketing?
बजट निकालो, मार्केटिंग टीम को बोलो कि लाइक माइंडेड लोग लेकर आओ और उनसे कंटेंट बनवाओ.
some of the advices that you would give to all the new age entrepreneurs out there?
I think the most important thing is you should not be an entrepreneur for the wrong reasons.